Welcome to TechTube. In this video I will show you how to use conditional formatting in Excel.
Conditional formatting is a feature in many spreadsheet applications that allows you to apply specific formatting to cells that meet certain criteria. It is most often used as color-based formatting to highlight, emphasize, or differentiate among data and information stored in a spreadsheet. Let us go to the video. Click the Home Page tab. Click the Conditional Formatting drop-down button. Click the Format Only cells that contain text item. Click the specific text item. Click the containing item. Click the value, text box. Let's type the text you want to format. Click the Format button. Click the any color you want to format the text. Click the Border Page tab if you want to change border instantly. Click the Font Page tab. Click the bold item if you want change font style. Click the OK button after finishing all changes. Click the OK button to apply all changes. Click the Conditional Formatting drop-down button. Select the Manage Rules menu item. Click here to select the cells you want to apply this conditional formatting. Select the cells area. Click the Apply button. Click OK here. Type the text. Now you will see the text automatically changed. Click the Conditional Formatting drop-down button for Apply same to another text. Select the New Rule menu item. Click the Format Only cells that contain text item. Click the Format Only cells with combo box. Click the specific text item. Click the specific text combo box. Click the containing item. Click the value text box. Type no the another text you want to format. Click the Format button. Add change as you want. Click the OK button after finishing all changes. Select the Manage Rules menu item. Select the cells you want to apply. Type the text. Now you will see the format for another text. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel for more videos. Click on bell icon to touch with our channel.